Welcome back, Triple D, hanging out in New Orleans. We're at a funky joint called Red's Chinese. Chef Max just rocked out.
It's an experience that sort of gets you out of your lane in New Orleans.
Hi, guys, coming in.
This city is very traditionalist with their dishes. And Reds has had the courage to fusion New Orleans cuisine with a different cuisine.
Which means local flavors served Chinese style
Crawfish rangoons in the window.
and Eastern takes on Western classics.
Cheeseburger, fried rice up.
That's exactly what it is, cheeseburger, fried rice.
Pretty much has everything that a cheeseburger has in it.
It's almost like a dirty rice. It's fantastic.
This is where things are gonna get weird, folks. This is when the New Orleans attitude steps in.
We're gonna make the cheeseburger fried rice.
But it's gonna taste like fried
It's
rice
gonna taste like a cheeseburger.
in fried rice. When you're messing with
I
my
can't
fried
wait.
rice, you're messing with my emotions.
So we're gonna start by making the awesome sauce. That's the sauce that goes on top of the cheeseburger.
Awesome sauce.
Yeah. And we've got pickled chips made into a relish, 3 egg yolks. Now I'm gonna add minced garlic, mushroom powder,
You love that mushroom powder.
drizzle in a little bit of soy oil.
So we just made pickle relish garlic aioli.
Absolutely.
All right. We're in the awesome zone.
Now I'm gonna fold in the ketchup.
So a really fantastic scratch-made Thousand Island.
All right, now we're gonna make the cheeseburger fried rice. We're gonna saute some onions, bacon.
Copious amounts.
And now I got ground beef, got a little bacon fat in there. This is where we're gonna fry the rice.
Doesn't get any better than this.
White sugar, a little bit of mushroom powder, lettuce,
Whoa! I didn't see that coming.
Roma tomatoes, nacho cheese sauce, awesome sauce, yellow mustard, sesame seeds, pickled chips.
How do you eat it?
I use a spoon.
You're breaking the rules.
What rules are there?
Exactly. I love Fava.
Hawaii Five-O.
You picked it up.
Absolutely.
Exactly what I said. Bro, 1 minute I get a bite and it's all cheeseburger and I'm like, okay, ground up cheeseburger. The next bite I get, like all fried rice. You picked the iconic aspects of both dishes and made them really sing. I can see why it's such a big hit. Spot on.
It tastes like exactly what it's supposed to taste like, and that ends up being delicious.
The dill pickle on the top just makes it authentic.
Is it fried rice and a cheeseburger together?
Got everything but French fries.
Everything but French fries, so it passes.
Oh, I'd say so.
Pork buns in the window.
It's just a great place that is never a bad choice.
It's awesome. I love the place. And you got an open bar, you got karaoke at night. This place must get rocking.
It gets weird.
It gets weird. Come on down, bring the whole family.